My name is Ruth Lorivi Moirana. I am from Tanzania and I work as a lecturer at the Nelson Mandela African Institution of Science and Technology, which is located in Arusha, Tanzania. And I was fortunate to attend the science communication training organized by Access Agriculture and RUFORUM at Uganda this year, 2025. And during this training, I've learned quite a lot of things from blogging, how to become a blogger as an early career researcher, so that I can communicate my research to the world in a more simpler way. Yeah, I've also learned how to make a low-cost video using portable devices, and this is something that I truly needed, and I didn't know that I needed this knowledge. But now I'm living here with the knowledge. I have a blog, and I've even written posted one blog already, and now I have that knowledge and understanding on how to deliver my research in a more simpler way to a wider range of audience, yeah, and not only researchers who are based on my field. But also with the video, with the current generation where we are headed, I think videos are becoming more and more a more and more easier mode of communication, especially reaching the younger generations. And so through this training, I learned how to make videos, and which I intend to generate contents. We know that our farmers from different parts of the world, they have the knowledge that they have accumulated from their ancestors, and sometimes they know something that other farmers from different parts of the world could benefit it, and therefore through these videos that we are making, we can break that language barrier, and we can easily send the knowledge and information from farmer to farmer, so that they can help each other to bring that change and unity as we fight for the impacts of climate change. Yeah. Thank you.